Hi all, welcome to my channel. This is Vernice. Today I'm going to show you a unique double story at TAMAN C, SS23, PETALINGJAYA. It's freehold, 22'x80, 4 room 3 bath, and kitchen extended. This house is fully extended to the end. First, it has a very spacious living area, a corner for study, downstairs bedroom, dining area, and the extended kitchen for dry and wet. All the extension and renovation is already obtained approval. One common toilet. First floor, we have a living area, master bedroom with a storeroom or walk-in wardrobe area. The door is to balcony. Bedroom number 3 with adjoining bathroom to bedroom number 4. The main selling point of this unit is location and its freehold. For viewing or listing, please call 016-989-3389. See you!